The state government has proposed a major shake-up of the system used to rank Year 12 graduates. Under the plan, the overall position, or OP score, and core skills test would be scrapped. It's drawn criticism from education unions worried about the cost and impact of too much external testing.
For the past 20 years, Queensland high school leavers have received an OP score. The government says it's an outdated model.
The educational landscape has changed. The OP system didn't. That's why it should have been reviewed, and we've been prepared to make the hard decision to look at a system that needs to be improved.
Last year, the LNP commissioned an independent review of the system. It made 23 recommendations, and now the government has released its draft response.
This is a piece of work that is so important for thousands of students into the future that we need to make sure that we get it right.
Key proposals include scrapping overall position scores and the core skills test. Universities would rate school leavers using an Australian Tertiary Admissions Rank or ATAR score, and the introduction of external assessment for each subject, worth up to 50% of the mark. Unions are worried external testing could diminish the role of teachers and shape the curriculum.
It will determine what is taught in schools because you get a phenomenon of teach to the test.
The one thing we want to make sure is that this is not high-stakes testing. A child performs differently on any given day, and we'd hate to see that a student's future is determined by one test.
Cost is another concern.
That whole process will cost, by our estimation, in excess of $60 million a year.
It's not going to cost us less money at all, but that's not the aim of the exercise.
The Minister says nothing is set in stone. The proposals are yet to go to Cabinet, and there'll be a 3-month consultation period with key stakeholders. The final government response is due mid-next year, with 2015's cohort of Year 9s the first to graduate under the new system. Emma Pollard, ABC News.